Okay, so let's get started on doing some overall polishing and finishing the second half of it. The first thing I want to kind of take care of is I think this is a little weak still. The piano is not really bright enough. I want to maybe add another layer to this. So a couple things. I could try it in a layer in a higher octave here. Grab these guys and then go to A sharp number 3. Let's add another voice here. Let's go to A sharp 4. All right, let's try deleting one layer and then adding another layer from a synth to kind of fill that space right there. And I want it just to be like bright and kind of festival-y, so let's go ahead and use Nexus 3 again. Let's try out some strings. Okay, obviously they're way too loud, so I got to bring them down because they're taking over the piano. What I need is staccato because these are too thick or too wide. There's too much of a tail on it, so you can't really hear each note being played. Here we go, let's try that. Maybe not. That's good. I like that. That's pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. It needs a little bit of a layer from the drop here. So let's grab something like that. And then where's the drop here? Okay. Let's add another layer and then see if we could fill it up a little bit. So it's a little bland here for my liking. Let's try that. Ooh, that's way too loud. We definitely don't want to do that. And that's too high of an octave. Oop, don't do that. All right. Let's just grab that. And then we're just going to grab the top layer of this right here. Delete all of you guys. And let's try this. There's too much of a, you can't really hear each transient of the note. Sorry, I wasn't able to explain it right there. So I'm just going to shorten these. That's not what I wanted to do. All right, let's try that. So I'm just going to highlight them all. Do a little bit of a shortened note here. Now obviously it sounds weird because it's too dry, so let me add my own reverb. That way I can kind of control it myself. See how that works.